people, it's another beautiful evening, guys. You can see my wallet right now. I have 27,924,742, and on this video today, guys, I'm going to show you how to trade and make such kind of money in your wallet using what we call triangular arbitrage trading. Right, you can see, guys, I'm refreshing my balance here, and you can see it's real and nothing is fake on my Binance account. And also, guys, remember this video is for educational purpose only. I do not encourage it as a financial advice unless you do exactly what I'm going to teach today on this video. All right, so the first step, guys, all those who follow me, I promise to show you that there is another new exchange called Binance.com. So what you need to go to Google like that, and then you type Binance, all right, .com, and this is the Binance.com that you're going to use, this one, and then you open it, guys, like that. When it opens, it should be like that. Once you open, let me show you. Once you open, guys, you need to come and create your account. So what you do here, you just click here and then click sign up, and then you create your account. You put all details that you want. For example, here you can choose your username, John, full name, K, something like that, your email address and everything. And then you submit your KYC, and then you follow what I'm going to teach you. Because I have already the account, I'll go ahead and click login to my account. You can see on my account I have 114. So what I'm going to do, guys, I'm going to click on this trade that for 3 dots, and then I'll click on crypto wallet, and then you can see this is my balance. Okay, so now I'm going to show you how you can trade with a balance on your Binance account you trade it on Binance.com and make profit. All right, so I'll just go and click on Binance on P2P because we are going to do what we call P2P triangular arbitrage trading. I'm going to click on P2P marketplace, and then, guys, I'm going to buy. All right, so I'm going to buy what? USDT. Right, you can buy ETH, Sol, or LTC, any. So, guys, as you can see here, there are traders with different prices. This one has 0.96, this one has 0.96, 0.98, 96, 97, like that. So you can see these Chinese people from on Binance.com, they have their prices that are just a bit lower than the normal USDT. All right, so how do you make the profit? Because the normal USDT is 1 USDT equals to 1 USD, but here they sell at 0.96. That's almost 3 cents. All right, no, 4 cents. So for example, if you say you want to buy USDT to this person for like 1,000 USDT, you can see on a 10,000 USD you're going to get 208 extra on top. That's a profit of 200, because the more the amount you have trading on this app, the more you make more money. All right, so it's the more a capital you have, guys, the more you make money. So for example, for 100, you see 100, you're going to get $2, right, in profit, because you'll get 104, and after 104 the fee will be $2, right? So for me, I'm going to trade with the 500, yes, and you see 500 in one trade, I will make $10, right? 10 USDT, here it is. Okay, so I'll just put 500 just for example to teach you guys. You can see the problem here, the platform fee does eat a lot of money, you can see. So what I'll do, I'll click on proceed with purchase, and then I'll click on pay, and then I'll confirm the order. All right, so you can see, guys, it has now taken me to the next page where I need now to pay the vendor. So I can also chat with the vendor here. Hi, hello. It's usually not important to chat with vendors, but if you want, but as long as you see that the vendor is online, always you can go and pay the trade. There is no scam in this app. I've been using it for quite some time right now, and it's working. So the next step, guys, you need to click, you can see now you need to pay the vendor. So you can see they have given me an address here to pay to. So I need to copy this address like that, and then I'll go now to my Binance, which has 27 million Kenyan shillings, which in USDT you can see I have over 217,000 217,000 USDT. So I'll just click on USDT and then I'll click send. Now I'm going to pay the vendor, and then I'll paste the vendor address here. I'll go back and confirm the vendor address matches this one, the one I copied, and after confirming the address matches, I'll click continue, and then I'm going to put the amount, which is 500. All right, and then I'll click continue, and then guys I'm going to click on confirm, and now you see I'm putting my password here, right? So now I've now confirmed the withdrawal. You can see it's here, it's now waiting to be sent, and it has been sent. So I'll now go back to the exchange, and then I'll click I have paid. Okay guys, so after clicking I have paid, now you can see it's now monitoring the blockchain. So, okay, usually this takes a few seconds, and once the deposit has been detected on the blockchain, your trade is automatically marked as complete, because everything here you're doing is automatic with the blockchain explorer, and everything is perfect. There is no manual approval. Everything will go automatic on the blockchain, and once the blockchain detects this payment, it will automatically release the trade. So just wait and see. Just give it usually takes about 1 to 2 minutes. So we are about a few seconds to go. So at this level, guys, you need to be very, very patient, and also remember to read to follow what I'm doing. All right, so now you can see it. Now the trade has been completed, you can see here, and if you don't pay to the vendor, your trade will never get completed. So I'll now click on done, and now you can see my balance has jumped to 625. So guys, you can see in that one trade I made 10 USDT, and now I need to make more. How do you make more? You now just click on the three dots again, and then you go to P2P marketplace, because we already have the money in our account. Now we need to sell it. Okay, so I'll click on sell. All right, and guys, I'm going to go direct to I'll go direct to sell to someone who has at least a good price. So I'm going to sell this one, is Yusuf Kamara. I'll sell on Yusuf Kamara. No, I'll sell to Chinwe Obi. He has a price of 1.7. I'll click on sell, and I'll put amount 600, guys. Okay, so you can see if I sell that amount to this vendor, I'm going to get profit of 29 USDT after fees. Okay, so I'm going to put I don't know, I have 510. Okay, so I'll click on proceed, click on settle, and the payment method USDT, and then I'll choose spot wallet, and then I'll click on confirm. So now what I'm doing, guys, I'm repeating the trades. Okay, I'm now selling. I bought first time, so now I'm selling, you see, and the profit will be the at least 29 USDT after fees. Okay, you can see this 510 is the money that I received after buying, and now I'm on sale. So let's wait for it to complete that order. Remember, guys, you can trade a minimum of 3 trades on this platform per day, but if you subscribe on VIP or in platinum or diamond, you can, let me show you. You can see me here, I'm on diamond, so I can trade at least 20 trades per day. But you'll have to trade three trades a day, and then withdraw, and then you wait tomorrow. But if you subscribe to diamond or to pro or to any other, your trades get adjusted a bit. So guys, I'll go again to the trade that I have made. So I'll go to where it is. I'm going to transaction history, and I'm going to P2P, and this is the trade. Can you see the trade here? It's now 1 minute. The vendor is going to pay me in my spot wallet, and then I'm going to withdraw it back to my wallet, guys. I'm also going to show you how you can trade and withdraw without a lot of fees, because some people do charge a lot of fees, guys. So guys, the trade is now 22 seconds to go, and then I'll show you how to withdraw back to your wallet. So let it finish a bit. And there the trade is almost finishing, guys. There it has finished. So now I need to go back and check whether the vendor has paid. You can see now the balance has jumped to 661. So the next step now, I'll go back to transaction history here, and then I'll go to P2P trades, and then I'll click on complete one. So then I'll go now release. After confirming your funds are there, now you need to release like that, and then click on done. So now the next step, guys, I'm going to click on crypto wallet and withdraw. Click on withdraw, and you can see the total balance that I have in my funding wallet, my spot wallet, sorry, 652. I can decide to withdraw all of it or not. So, but because I made 545, that's plus 10, no, it's 529 plus 10, that's 539. So I'm going to withdraw 539, and the 39 will be the fee. You can see here the fee is 3%, okay, which is almost 16. But remember, what matters in this platform is you make a profit. It's not like the way you can go and trade on Forex and lose all your money because the market will go up and come and finish you on liquidation. This one, it guarantees you can make your $22 after you withdraw. It's just 3% fee. You see the profit is 39. After withdrawal, I'm getting 22. So if I keep on repeating the trades for 20 trades on 22, that's 22 times 20. That's almost $400 in a day, guys. All right. So I'm going now to click on continue to address, and now I'm going back to my Binance and click on receive. Then I'll click receive tokens via address, and I'll copy my address, and then guys, I'm going to head forward and paste here the address, and then I'll go and re-enter the address, and then I'll click on review. So now guys, after review here, they have sent me an email to my address, so I need to confirm and approve the withdrawal. So here's the verification code, guys. I'm going to copy it like that, and then I'll go back here on Binance and I'll paste it and then confirm withdrawal, guys. You can see the withdrawal now, it's pending, so I'm waiting for it to be processed within a few minutes, guys. So you can see here it is. Here's the withdrawal. And also there's something, guys, I need to tell you. When you have a low TRX balance on your account, you need at least to have at least 40 TRX in order to withdraw USDT. So some of you, if you trade, you'll be asked to do what we call to have 40 TRX. But I advise you, and if you need to withdraw money without being charged a lot of fees, just go to, I will show you just a moment. What you need to do is click on back here, and then you go to your crypto wallet, and then you click on swap, right? So let me answer this question. You can see they have given me a withdrawal insight. They're asking me, withdrawal insight, quick in check-in, personalize your experience. Does this withdraw bring you a meaningful personal goal? Yes. What will demotivate you to come back and trade more? Consistent higher. What originally brought you to crypto trading? Pursuing financial freedom, and then submit. You just answer the question like that and submit. So I'll now click on the three dots, and then I'll show you how to swap. You click on swap, and then you put all your USDT, and you swap it to TRX. If you swap your USDT to TRX, the withdrawal fee is low. Okay, so you can get, and you can be charged like $1 or nothing. Okay, but if you withdraw with USDT, almost all your profit goes, because you'll have to pay the fee of the platform, and also you'll have to pay the gas fee, which is the TRX that they want you to put on a TRX section. This one you can see here on withdrawals. This one you can see it's completed. Okay, it's already completed, guys. So I can view it on Tronscan right now, and you can see here it's successful, 522. And you remember we started with 500. If you start with $100, it means you can make at least $4 to $5 every day. The more the capital you have, the more you can make profits on this platform. So I'll go now on Binance and show you that the withdrawal did arrive. Let me go to my Binance here. So I'll now click here, and I'll show you. Here it is. It was received today to my address, and the time, you can see date and everything. Yes, guys, so that's how it literally works, and that's how you can also make this kind of money that I have in my Binance account, and you can live a very happy and beautiful life. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video, and may God bless you. Like this video, share to others, so that they can also support me and give me more subscribers, and people sign up with my referral link, and I can get also commission while we move and benefit all of us. Thank you so much.